You want to know how to add subtitles and captions like Alex Hormozi, Grant Cardone, and Ryan Pineda to your videos? In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 best ways to get this done, and the last one is the best, so stay tuned to the end. You're here because you've probably seen these on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels by our favorite entrepreneurs like Alex Hormozi, Grant Cardone, Ryan Pineda, and others with these sweet-looking, highly engaging yellow, green, and red subtitles. You're here because you know that video is the tool that will take your business to the next level. Video is now the way that brands connect with audiences and build trust like no other. In 2020, 83.3% of US audiences upped their video content intake. But it's hard, right? I understand. I stutter and have stuttered since I can remember, and all that shame and baggage that I carried. The experience of being in high school, having 2 local politicians having a debate during school assembly, covered live by the local news, trying to hide even though my school was like 2,000 kids because I was so afraid of being caught on camera. But guess what? My worst nightmare came true. As I was almost at the door of the assembly, the news reporter caught a hold of me with the mic and camera squared away at me. I froze, felt like the deer in the headlights, time standing still. Couldn't get one word out, got many syllables out, but no word. So I know how hard it can be on camera, and on top of that, how hard it is always to come up with great content that connects to your audiences to build a following and attract high quality clients. I'm June, and that's exactly what I do now. And I know if I can do that, every one of you can. So if you're open to learning about how you can always create highly engaging video content that attracts high quality clients, click the link in the comments or in my bio. One of the best ways to edit and add these types of subtitles is by using software like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, ScreenFlow, or Final Cut Pro. The process is actually much easier than what most people think, say, and teach, even on YouTube. You drag it in, use your presets to color grade, make audio adjustments. There's an awesome auto transcribe feature you should be using instead of doing it by ear like some others on YouTube are teaching you. And there's so many creative ways to make your workflow easier and faster, like using my transparent safe-space PNG that also acts as your color palette overlay. These are the exact programs that are used for making these short form videos for Alex Hormozi, Grant Cardone, and Ryan Pineda, more into an art form than what the phone apps or those cheaper software that just cuts it up and puts these generic subtitles for you can do. As for how to actually edit them and put these viral captions on micro content, I'll be putting out a full tutorial, so make sure to check it out because I'll give you the fastest flow, systems, and processes to save your time and headaches while making sure to make your videos look awesome and sound great. Capcut is a great tool for putting these subtitles and captions on video. It can get you good enough results. Many solopreneurs are using this app by themselves to edit their short form videos. It's very similar to Premiere Pro. You open your file, auto transcribe, choose your font, apply to the rest of the captions, edit your text, and add your emojis and or images you have in your phone or app. But I've noticed several things. One is that it pretty much takes me the same amount of time to edit on Capcut that it takes me on Premiere Pro, but it doesn't have the ability to color grade and to make your audio sound great. The audio quality that you put out has to be on par. The quality of your audio is one of the reasons why people jump off your video. So when using Capcut, really use a mic to make your voice sound great. Do you want to work in your business or on your business? I'll let Hormozi and Pineda put in their 2 cents because they say it much better than I can.
Even at phase 3, it's going to be pretty much beyond your capacity to actually create, capture, edit, and distribute across all platforms. You're not going to be able to do it on your own. And so you need some degree of leverage. That leverage is going to come in the form of labor. You're going to have to pay people to help you out. In the beginning, the more costly way of doing it, but faster, is to have vendors. So to have people who are specialists on each of these platforms, because what they're going to do is get you up to speed 5 times faster. They're going to already know all the mistakes that people normally make.
If you're truly about running a business, the best option is to hire a team who not only edits your videos in world-class style, but most importantly, coaches you up to be always able to ideate, create highly engaging video content, to attract a bigger following and attract high quality clients. That's my goal here.
All right, so I'm sitting at my producer's desk for the podcast, and I have no idea how to use any of this stuff. In fact, I've never edited a video for my YouTube channel or the podcast. But despite that, I've been able to grow my social media to over 1.7 million followers, and those views that we generate make over $1 million a month for my businesses. Now,
my goal here is to help you simplify the content creation process and to maximize your impact and your leverage with this channel. So make sure to subscribe if you got value from this video to learn more about video marketing, content strategy, and online business. See you in the next video.